South Africa is entering a new infrastructure cycle, and most people have no idea what's coming. These insights come from the Infrastructure South Africa Construction Book 2025, a national pipeline of fully funded procurement-ready projects across energy, water, transport, and logistics. Why does this matter? This isn't just political talk for future plans. This is real money, real projects, and real timelines that will shape jobs, cities, and the economy. Over the next 10 videos, we'll break down where the money is going, which sectors matter most, and what this means for engineers, investors, and Africa's future.